This video will show the installation of two BA120 Slot resonator panels onto a plaster wall. The rear panel is recessed to allow installation on timber battens. I will first draw a line with a level, then lean the panels on the wall as a guide. Drill the holes through the battens. Then drill in the Plastermates drill plugs. Then screw on the battens. Then hang the panels. The panels will hang quite okay on two battens, but for extra security you can fit bottom battens as well. Draw a line along the bottom as a guide for the bottom battens. Then just repeat the process. Put in a screw top and bottom to secure the battens and job done.